Oh my goodness, you guys, yes. So this is September. I'm calling it Water September. I am Jamaican. My name is LyricRochester. I'm a mother of two. This is the look for today. I love colored brows. These are Peacock brows. Brushing my brows in place, and I'm going over it with my eyeliner pencil. It's actually a lip pencil. Then I tried to glue them down. I didn't like how this looked. I did it one time and it looked good. This time was really messy, but it's just another option if you have really thick brows. That's the palette I'll be using from Morphe. It's very, very old. Do not tag them. They're gonna flag this video because it's an old ass palette. It doesn't represent them well. That green is nowhere, honey. That's because I always use the green to set it. Yeah, and I recognize that the glue, it doesn't move. Use the glue on your eyebrows. I just don't know how to do it because I'm not a glue eyebrow girl. I always just bleach my brows and then do them. You see me? Now my brows are black. I'm thinking about laminating them as well. I did do my foundation in this video. It's really quick though, and I use like a multi-layered foundation type of look. When I do my makeup for different times and themes and stuff. So my makeup changes every single day how I do it. So that's why sometimes I'm sitting in the nugget, see the same thing over and over. Yeah, girl, show them. This lighting is epic. Oh, yo, the other videos, I'm not really fond of the lighting, but this is good, so I'm gonna keep this one. The good thing is I'm still in August. It's weird, huh? But I can fix it. So yeah, so I start with a darker color and then a lighter. I start with a darker color, then I start with my color. Continue with my color and then a lighter color. So I basically use 3 colors on my face. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I definitely think you should. My name on Instagram is LyricRochester. You know, my Instagram look a face if I'm a real pro on Instagram. Go down watch it on so. Plus, my Instagram I look like a bad bitch. My Instagram makes me look like that girl. And I'm just like, I'm a catfisher. I'm a catfisher. Okay, so I have been doing YouTube for over 12 years. This is how I usually do my voiceovers. No, this new YouTube is weird. I'm not your regular YouTuber. I can't coddle you and stuff. You know, like I get things what Lyric One do or Lyric One put up, but believe me, it's gonna entertain you. It's gonna make you laugh, cry, everything. Because I want when you guys come to my channel, you're at peace. I want when you come to my channel, you can watch something and you're revived, you're refreshed. I don't want because so much painting on them girl there, I so much feel, brother. More give you know that. You see me? I know my personality is really, really rough. I know it's not deliberate. It's by design. We as a nation, as people, we've been through a crap ton, and I'm talking 2020 alone. We've lost people. You see me? It is real. So we've had to endure a lot, and with that comes change. In addition to us moving and just changing every single year, you know, i.e. our birthday, we tend to shun change, and I don't think we should embrace it and change the things we don't like about ourselves and keep the things or work on the things that we actually do. I always use a pencil, like a corresponding pencil to set a corresponding eyeshadow, to set the pencil for my waterline. But for that one, the eyeshadow really come out that bowl here because the pencil, it juke my eye. It juke me in my eye, my love. I'm crying at the jukings. Remember when I used to do these wings? Bitch, I have no reverse wing is a thing. How you know if I want lyric the reverse wing? Watch my them blood cleanse. Every time I just scroll back by my old YouTube and just recreate. By the way, guys, you saw that lizard lip I did? Bitch. I just did it today and I was so nervous to do it because I didn't want to seem like I was, like me a bigger none. But I said, sure, God said ask and it shall be given though. I'm going to tag every rat. I got do makeup with for Lizzo, for Nicki Minaj, for Jada, obviously, and for Rihanna, and for Spice. Whenever you talk about Spice, but it's a Spice. Spice and blood cleanse JADA. Oh my god, look at Shensia, bro. I feel like this September is going to be about women. I'm going to do a lot of makeup tutorials from these women. I'm also going to be doing movie stuff with strong female leads. Baby, it is Water September. I like that, Water September. Yeah man, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it deliberately. Not if I brought in our thing. So right now I'm just blending. I found out like not redoing my makeup, but even with filming, blending is difficult. Shit, it's done. I love y'all. Bye.